What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So there's an interesting market situation on Volatility 251S index, which I want us to have a look on into this video, but analyzing this index from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame, picking out this trade opportunity. So the time frame we're analyzing from is the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, this market formation caught my interest. This is the market forming a big inverted head and shoulders pattern formation, which is a bullish reversal pattern, having price from the left shoulder there, the head at this point, and the right shoulder, which has formed here already. So a big bullish reversal is likely to follow up on this index in the coming days, weeks and months. Because moving to the weekly time frame charts, we see this index is in an overall bullish market structure of got series of higher lows and series of higher highs. So we got a bullish move possibilities on this index on the daily time frame. So the market structure is clearly bullish, as we can see on this weekly time frame chart. So back to the daily time frame, we've got this big inverted head and shoulders pattern formation, which the neckline of this reversal pattern is at this point. Because on every reversal pattern formation, there is a neckline. This neckline is also a strong level of resistance, which we've seen price sell on a couple of times, getting the first sells at this point. Right, so their resistance, second sell resistance, as you can see, third, fourth, fifth sells on this level as a resistance. So as price has tested this level of resistance multiple times, it's expected for price to break past it. So a bullish continuation move is expected on this index, working with this big inverted head and shoulders pattern formation. So let's spot this neckline properly using this horizontal to. We still have to identify some major levels on this index, and having this level to be one of those levels, seeing historical reactions, price bought support here, support. So this is an important level we've got as well. We also got a bullish structure on this daily time frame where price formed series of higher lows, supporting into this trend line too. We got the trend support here and series of higher highs, trend resistance at this point. So this is a clear bullish structure on the daily time frame. So analyzing further to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price formed a similar inverted head and shoulders pattern formation on this 4-hour time frame, which is forming up on the daily time frame, having the left shoulder at that point. Let's put it out. The head formed here and the right shoulder formed at this point with the neckline here. On every reversal pattern formation, there's a neckline. You can see our price broke past this neckline after the formation of this inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is a bullish reversal pattern, giving the buys, and price usually comes to retest the neckline of this formation, which we could see a bullish continuation follow up on this index, having that also got a bullish structure on this 4-hour time frame, having series of higher lows formed and series of higher highs, and also this horizontal level of resistance now broken on support for a bullish continuation move. And on this 4-hour time frame, price has already formed a new level at this point, which we need to mark out. But for price to drop down to this level and give the price shows that there's something interesting about this level. So we need to acknowledge this new level formed at this point. So analyzing further to the 1-hour time frame, what do we have? We can see that we've got this structure, which is a bearish structure where we've got series of lower highs and series of lower lows formed at this point, and it's clear that price has given a break of this structure, because spotting out the lower highs and lower lows, having this to be a high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. This happens to be the last lower high. So when we spot this out, we see that this is a clear break of structure on this index. Price has formed a new high, which is a higher high, in addition to another block formation formed on this new zone that's identified on the 4-hour time frame. So in addition, this bullish order block has added to the buy confluence on this index. This is a drop based rally bullish order block pattern. So if price can drop into this zone in the coming hours and minutes, we could see a possible buy move on this index for a day trading opportunity, because we have a zone at this point, and this structure, which was the previous structure, a bearish structure, has been broken. Price now formed a new structure, which is a bullish structure, because when we suppose this to be the first low, this would be second low. Basically, let me clone this. This would be the second low, a higher low formed here already, and a new low is expected on this retracement to this zone, and confirming this level to be a potential buy zone. I'll bring out the Fibonacci retracement to placing it on this recent swing low and dragging into the recent swing high. We can see that this is 1.8 fib level aligns with this area, so we got buy possibilities at this point. All I do right now is wait for price to drop into the zone for a good buy opportunity on this index, because overall a bullish move is expected on this index. A bullish breakout, basically working with these big inverted head and shoulders we identified on the daily time frame. So that's it, guys. That's my view and analysis on Volatility 251S index. If I'm to take this wonderful trade opportunity, if I'm to catch the price on this index, I'll update you guys on the results of this trade. And if this video is to be posted before price gets so predicted price, you guys can as well take advantage of this nice trade opportunity coming up on this index. So for more market analysis like this, for more market breakdowns like this, do watch to smash the like button, drop a good comment on this video, and subscribe if you're to subscribe. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging in my videos. It's living slot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.